Stupid animals. Think they're so cute. The only good chicken is a fried chicken. Huh? Oh!
Hey!
And you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Ah!
Robot bounty hunter.
Chicken!
Get it on! What are you? Some kind of troll or something? What? And ruin all this frustration?
Prepare to meet your doom! Oops, my brain stopped again.
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors, yeah? I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. You crazy?
Ah!
I ain't touching that.
Not to mention a duck.
Do not fool Rolf! Everybody now!
Ah!
Robot bounty hunter.
Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself.